So I'm out here cutting up hurricane debris after Dorian, and something interesting is happening here. I've been cutting up this sandhill laurel oak, Quercus hemispherica? Yeah. And just a couple of minutes ago, I just started getting swarmed by lovebugs. Plessia neartica. And it appears that they're feeding on the sap from this oak tree that I just cut, which is crazy. And they're currently absolutely swarming around me. It's just a cloud, a miasma. And I did not know that they fed on tree sap. So that's pretty interesting. Normally they're just attracted to shiny white things, which I guess this does have a pretty high albedo. But yeah, they're getting right down in here. They're right there at the phloem. You can see that line there where it transitions on the vascular cambium. So this outer ring out here is the phloem, and this is the cambium, and this is the xylem, and this is the heartwood, which is a little rotten in this tree because it's in that water oak group, and they just like to rot in the heart. But they're just down in there getting after it. Oh yeah, look at that now. Alright, well I still got a couple of trees to cut up. Well, 2 trees. This is the easy one. It's only about, I don't know, 14 inches in diameter. It's probably 18 up there at that end, but I don't know if you can see it down there, but that's like a 24, 30-inch tree that's 3 foot off the ground, so I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of that thing. Yeah, cool little thing to note about their ecology. Did not know that they fed on tree sap. That's definitely a cool thing to know, and terribly annoying because I'm going to be breathing these things the entire time I'm working on this.